If you are new to using a Mac, then here is a very simple guide to help you just get started. So first of all, let's navigate you to the macOS. You can see the menu bar in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Then it simply shows system controls like Wi-Fi, battery, time and app menus. In there you can also drag it to lower or brighten the displays, or you can also tap on the audio slider to again lower or higher the audios. Now the other one is you can simply tap on the dock bottom of the screen, which provides quick access to apps, or you can also tap on the launch pad option available there. It will navigate you to the app section in your MacBook. You can simply tap on any app. You can also see the Finder option available there. It is the file manager where you access folders like documents, downloads and applications. You can also simply tap on the command and space bar together and see the spotlight search on your Mac screen. In this spotlight search, you can simply search for any documents or files in your Mac or also the app. So let me go through the download folder. As you can see, it will show you the folder very easily. Now the other one is App Store. Installing and updating the apps. Use the App Store for downloading and updating applications. Download apps from websites, but ensure they are from trusted sources. In macOS may block unverified apps as well. So you can simply tap on the App Store and in the search address bar search any app you want to download on your macOS and tap on the get option available there and download it. Now the other one is you can simply double tap on the any space on your Mac. Then you can see new folder option available, change wallpaper option available. So once you tap on the new folder, a new folder will be created on your desktop, or you can tap on the change wallpaper option available there. And here you can change wallpaper for your MacBook. You can browse through your gallery, or you can simply use any options available on your macOS. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.